Every pair of hands can make a difference.
You know, it's really coming full circle, serving the country and now serving my community.
But when you put them all together,
people came from all over. They just said, where do you want me and what can I do?
You can change people's lives.
The time we got rescued on that boat until now, I want to thank everybody.
Every year, Rebuilding Together volunteers come together to provide critical repairs for thousands of low-income homeowners, including seniors, veterans, and victims of disaster. You can help change lives. Donate or volunteer today. Go to rebuildingtogether.org/help.